Nasaan po si ate kanina yung dito? Oh, mali. Give me here. Yeah. Opo na the other lady. After, before this here, let's go here. Okay. So listen now. Please, and our gentlemen here, for our next game, this is what we call the pyramid game. So out of this cup, you will make a pyramid. So four, four at the base, and then three, and then two, and one. Okay? So four, three, two, one. Okay, so, and then, after this, after you make a pyramid, put your hands up and bring back to the original stop up. Okay?